Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 71, and today's topic is AI Canvas walkthrough for anything diagram in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there we have quite a lot different kinds of features through which you could generate your diagram. So today we are talking about the anything diagrams. So click on this. And the next page you would be redirected to is the AI Canvas page. Here you need to add diagram name. So for example, I'm adding okay, and click on continue. Now in this, what is going to happen? You can see that this is AI Canvas by ALN Studio. Here in this input box, you need to put up your use case. If you want to add a node, you can add it using this. If you want to zoom in, zoom out, you can use these two buttons. If you want to fit the diagram to the canvas, you can use this. If you want to reset the whole page, then you can do this. This tells you about the dark mode and the light mode. And if you want to check how many credits you have left for generating the diagram, then you need to see over here. And then over here in the animation, this is the animation panel. In this we have quite a lot different kind of animations, and this is the export button. Using this you can export the generated diagram in a SVG format, PNG format, and if you have enabled the animation, then you can keep 5-second HDMP4 diagram as well. So this is your main workspace where you can create, edit and visualize any type of architecture diagram. So basically AI Canvas in Airline Studio allows you to design any diagram quickly in a structured and interactive way. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.